Well, almost 80,000 people in Riverside County are without health insurance. Covered California is now looking to help those people find a plan that works for them through the 2024 open enrollment. I spoke with the organization's executive director, Jessica Altman, who wants everyone in need to apply. Jessica, tell us about this year's open enrollment period.
Open enrollment for Covered California to get coverage for 2024 is here. It began on November 1st. This year, Covered California is focusing on our theme of bridging the gap. We are bridging the gap of coverage, looking to connect those without coverage to join those with coverage. We're bridging the gap of affordability, delivering more financial assistance than ever before. And we're also working really hard to make sure that the coverage we provide helps to bridge gaps in access, in the quality of care, and in the equity of care delivered here in California.
And I understand about 80,000 people here in Riverside County do not have health insurance.
Yeah, actually, here in Riverside County, we estimate there are close to 80,000 uninsured residents who are eligible for Covered California. That's actually in addition to the over 100,000 residents who are eligible for no-cost Medi-Cal, yet also continue to go without insurance. So it's so important that if you are one of those people, if you know and love one of those people, that now is the time to think about coverage and take a few minutes to explore what options are available to you and your family.
And if people would like to sign up, what do they need to do?
If you want to sign up for coverage, you can visit coveredca.com. That is the easiest place to start. But we're also very committed to helping you enroll and to helping you enroll however is easiest for you. So you can enroll online, you can enroll on the phone, you can also enroll in person. We have over 14,000 enrollment partners, insurance agents, and community-based organizations across the state. They speak over 50 languages, and all of the help any of them offer is always free and always confidential. So never worry about sharing your situation with any of our partners.
Are you surprised, Jessica, that there are still people out there who are qualified to have health insurance, but don't?
You know, I think as I travel the state and I talk to Californians about what coverage means to them, why they're going without coverage, I hear a lot of concerns about understanding the process, about affordability, right? Reasons that are real to many Californians that explain why they haven't yet come to look for coverage. What I would say is that every year I also speak to people who have come forward, who have gone through the process. Just 4 easy bits of information about yourself on our website, and you can get basic information about how much financial assistance you're eligible for and what it will cost. People are always surprised that it is within reach, that it's more affordable than they think that it is, and that it is for them. Covered California is available. We have no income limits. We do offer financial assistance, so the more you need, the more you get. But any Californian who needs health insurance should visit coveredca.com.
All right, Jessica, we appreciate your time. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me. Have a great day.